I bet you didn't know that vacuum cleaners existed in the 1800s. Let's take a trip back in time. Back in the 1800s, keeping a home clean was a full-body workout. Forget plug and play. Victorian vacuum cleaners were all about manual labor. Imagine giant, awkward contraptions with names like the Whirlwind and the Puffing Billy. These machines were powered by hand cranks and foot pumps. It's like going to the gym while cleaning your house. The first patent for a vacuum cleaner was granted in 1860 to Daniel Hess. His machine used bellows to create suction and had a rotating brush. Talk about multitasking. And then there was Hubert Cecil Booth, who in 1901 invented a petrol-powered vacuum cleaner so massive it had to be transported by horse-drawn carriage around. Imagine that rolling down your street. So next time you complain about vacuuming, just be glad you don't need a team of horses to do it. Who knew cleaning history could be so sweeping?